Now next one point is molecular orbital theory. In the previous lecture we have studied the VBT, that is the valence bond theory. Now in that lecture we will study the next one point, that is the molecular orbital theory. In chemical bonding, next one theory is molecular orbital theory. The VBT is successful to give a satisfactory electronic description or electronic explanation for a large number of a molecule. But in some cases it gives a incorrect electronic explanation or description. Therefore, new theory is put forth, that is a MOT. That is the MOT. That is the molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory, MOT. In short, MOT. VBT जे आहे ती सक्सेसफुली दॅट गिव्स a satisfactory electronic explanation for the large number of molecules. मोठ्या प्रमाणात जे वेगळ्या प्रकारचे मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत त्यांचं एक्सप्लेनेशन जे आहे VBT मध्ये व्यवस्थित दिलेलं आहे. परंतु सम केसेस, काही केसेस मध्ये दॅट गिव्स द इनकरेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एक्सप्लेनेशन. Therefore, we can next theory or advanced theory, that is the molecular orbital theory, is put forth. In that theory, MOT considers the molecule as a whole rather than an atom for the bonding. या ठिकाणी MOT जे आहे that considers a पूर्ण a whole molecule. त्या ठिकाणी पूर्ण मॉलिक्यूल त्या ठिकाणी कन्सिडर केला जातो MOT मध्ये, not a single atom. Whereas second one, MOT is the property of a molecule similar to that of an atomic orbital. MOT च्या ज्या प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत त्याच प्रॉपर्टी काय कशाच्या असणार आहेत, atomic orbitalच्या असणार आहेत. Molecular orbital can be show a or represent a probability of finding an electron in a molecule. Molecular orbital जे आहेत that represent, काय रिप्रेझेंट करतात त्या, probability of a finding an electron in a molecule. That find out the a electron in a molecule. Molecule मध्ये जो असलेला इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे त्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी कुठे आहे तो, that will be find out by using a MOT. And atomic orbitals, molecular orbitals have energy levels, that having a energy levels and also a definite shape. Atomic orbital असतील किंवा molecular orbital असतील that having a energy level, त्यांच्यामध्ये energy levels आहेत and definite shape, आणि त्यांना विशिष्ट असा शेप पण असणार आहे. Next one point is formation of molecular orbitals. Formation of molecular orbitals. According to the MOT, the formation of molecular orbital from atomic orbital is expressed in terms of a linear combination of atomic orbitals. Linear combination of a atomic orbitals. Linear combination of a atomic orbitals. According to MOT, formation of molecular orbital कशा तयार होतात, from a atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals पासून त्या काय होतात पहा MOT तयार होतात किंवा molecular orbital त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतात. Is expressed in terms of, कशामध्ये एक्सप्रेस केलं जातात, that expressed in a linear combination of atomic orbitals. You know, atoms and molecules. Atoms, the smallest indivisible particle of the matter, that is called as atom. And molecule, how it is molecule form, when the two or more atoms comes together and that form a molecule. Now next one point for the formation of molecular orbital is two atomic orbital combine in two ways to form a two molecular orbitals. Two atomic orbital, this one first one and this is the second one. This is the first one atomic orbital and this is the second one atomic orbital. They are combined. एकत्र येतील पहा, and in a such way that to form a two molecular orbital. This one molecular orbital and this one second one is this molecular orbital. That form a two molecular orbital. Two atomic orbital, दोन atomic orbital एकत्र येतील आणि काय होतील त्या ठिकाणी, दोन molecular orbital त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतील पहा. The first one, by addition of a wave function to form a bonding orbitals having a lower energy. By addition of a wave function. By addition of wave function. This is the a wave function symbol psi, and this is the a wave function second b. When they are by addition of these wave functions to form a bonding orbitals. This is the bonding molecular orbitals having a lower energy, than that of atomic orbital. या atomic orbital पेक्षा या molecular orbital पेक्षा या ठिकाणी ही जी molecular orbital आहे ही कोणती आहे? atomic orbital आहे पहा. The bonding orbital lower energy than that of atomic orbital. या ठिकाणी atomic orbital पेक्षा या molecular orbital ची एनर्जी कशी आहे? कमी आहे. So this is the addition psi a plus psi b, that is wave function of a plus wave function of b. This is the sigma bond is equal to psi a plus psi b, that is the wave function of a plus wave function of b. By addition of a wave function to form a bonding orbital having a lower energy, that is the bonding molecular orbital. या ठिकाणी बॉन्ड तयार होतो म्हणून ही bonding molecular orbital. Whereas by subtraction of wave function to form a anti-bonding orbital and having a higher energy. By addition of wave function, that is wave function of a minus wave function of b, when they are undergo subtraction to form a anti-bonding orbital, that forming a anti-bonding orbital having a higher energy. Anti-bonding orbital having a higher energy than that of atomic orbital. या atomic orbital पेक्षा या molecular orbital ची एनर्जी कशी असणार आहे? जास्त असणार आहे, या ठिकाणी कमी असणार आहे. In bonding molecular orbital, that is the BMO, bonding molecular orbital, the large electron density is observed between the two nuclei. The large electron density is observed between the two nuclei of and two atoms. दोन molecular orbital जे आहेत, these two molecular orbitals, the large electron density is observed between the two nuclei of the two atoms. Bonding molecular orbital मध्ये हे जे दोन atomic orbitals आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये असलेले जे atom आहे आणि त्या atom मध्ये असलेले जे nuclei आहे, त्या nuclei वरती काय असणार आहे? large electron density, मोठ्या प्रमाणात इलेक्ट्रॉन त्या ठिकाणी असणार आहेत पहा. That is the next one, that is the bonding molecular orbital. And next one, in an anti-bonding molecular orbital, the electron density is nearly zero. या ठिकाणी electron density कशी असणार आहे? That is the nearly zero between the two nuclei of the two atoms. जेव्हा anti-bonding molecular orbital तयार होत असतात त्यावेळेस atomic orbital जे आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये असलेले जे atoms आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये असलेले जे nuclei आहेत यांच्यावर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेन्सिटी कशी असणार आहे? इट अबाउट झिरो, नियरली झिरो, and that form a anti-bonding molecular orbital. In anti-bonding, when it is placing an electron in a bonding orbital leads to formation of a covalent bond. When these two atomic orbitals they are combined together, then the bonding orbital leads to a formation of covalent bond. या ठिकाणी काय तयार होईल? Formation of covalent bond. Atomic orbital when they are placing into the bonding orbital, the bonding orbital जेव्हा एकत्र येतील, that form the formation of covalent bond. In other side, placing an electron into the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital that makes a bond unstable. Here formation of covalent bond, but that form a unstable bond. या ठिकाणी बॉन्ड तयार होईल परंतु तो कसा असेल? अनस्टेबल असेल. Now next one point, that is a combination for conditions for a combination of atomic orbitals. Conditions for the combination of atomic orbital. दोन atomic orbital एकत्र येण्यासाठी लागणाऱ्या कंडिशन्स कोणत्या आहेत? There are three conditions. First one is the combining atomic orbital must have the same energy. हे ज्या दोन atomic orbitals आहेत, त्या दोन्ही atomic orbitalची एनर्जी जी आहे that have must same or nearly same. That is, या ठिकाणी दोन atomic orbital एकत्र येण्यासाठी या दोन्ही atomic orbitalची एनर्जी कशी पाहिजे? सेम पाहिजे. That is, for example, 1s orbital and then 1s orbital. They are combined together, but not 1s and 2s. 1s orbital and 2s orbital. in 1s orbital and 2s orbital, the 2s orbital having a higher energy. They are not comes together. They are doesn't having a same energy. Second condition, the combining atomic orbitals must have the same symmetry along the molecular axis. हे जे combining molecular orbitals आहेत त्यांची must have the same symmetry along the molecular axis. त्यांच्यामध्ये सिमेट्री असणे गरजेचं आहे along the molecular axis. For example, when 2px orbital and 2px orbital they are combined together, that having a same symmetry, but not 2px and 2py. 2px and 2py they having a different symmetry. त्या दोघांची सिमेट्री कशी आहे वेगळी आहे. This is the second condition. Third condition, the combining atomic orbitals must have overlap to a maximum extent. Maximum extent. Greater the extent of overlapping, greater will be the electron density between the two nuclei of the molecular orbital. Combining atomic orbital must have the overlap to a maximum extent. हे जे atomic orbitals आहेत ते maximum overlap होणं गरजेचं आहे. Maximum overlap, आणि जेवढे जास्त overlapping असेल, greater the extent of overlapping, greater will be the electron density between the two nuclei. दोन nuclei मध्ये electron density काय असेल त्या ठिकाणी जास्त असेल molecular orbital मध्ये. These are the conditions for the combination of the atomic orbitals. Next one point is types of molecular orbital. Now next one point is types of molecular orbital. Molecular orbital चे प्रकार या ठिकाणी पाहिजेत आपल्याला. In a diatomic molecule, molecular orbital formed by a combination of atomic orbitals are of two types. That is, first one is the sigma bonding and second one is the pi bonding. Sigma bond and pi bond. That is the two types of the molecular orbital. That is sigma and pi. Sigma orbitals, sigma bonding and pi bonding. The s orbitals are spherical in shape. You know that very well. The shape of the s orbital is spherical and symmetric along x, y and z axis. Also symmetric along the x, y and z axis. Combination of two 1s orbital. Combination of two 1s orbital. This is the shape of hydrogen atom or s orbital, and which is symmetric along the x, y and z axis. Combination of 1s 1 orbital that centered on two nuclei of the two atoms. That will be centered at the two nuclei of the two atoms, and to form two sigma molecular orbital. That form two sigma molecular orbital. These are the two molecular orbitals. Sigma molecular orbital. That is, one is sigma bonding and other is sigma star antibonding. One is the sigma bonding. This is the sigma bonding, and this is the sigma star antibonding. Sigma star antibonding. This is the sigma star. Star means considered as an antibonding. Sigma star is a antibonding. Star that indicates the antibonding. Now consider Z to be a internuclear axis, then linear combination of pz orbital form two atoms and can form a sigma 2pz bonding and sigma star 2pz antibonding molecular orbital. Same as जसं 1s1 ऑर्बिटलच्या बाबतीत घडलेलं आहे पहा या ठिकाणी सिग्मा 1s1 this is again 1s1 they are combined together and that form a two molecular orbital, that is the sigma bonding orbital and sigma star anti-bonding. Same as for the z axis, consider to be a z to be internuclear axis, then linear combination of pz orbital that form a two orbitals, and to form a sigma 2pz orbitals, sigma 2pz orbitals and sigma star 2pz molecular orbital. This is the for the z axis. And the px and py orbitals are not symmetrical along the a bond axis. When px and py orbitals are not symmetrical शांख्य नसतील along the a bond axis, they have a positive lobe above the axis, positive lobe above the axis and negative lobe below the axis. This is the a positive lobe and this is the a negative lobe. The positive lobe is present above the axis and negative lobe is present below the axis. Hence, the linear combination of such orbital that form a molecular orbitals with a positive and negative lobes above and below the a bond axis respectively. These molecular orbitals are designated as pi bonding and pi star antibonding. The molecular orbitals designated as pi bonding and pi star antibonding. This is the a pi star antibonding and this is the a pi bonding orbitals. The electron density in such pi orbital is concentrated above and below the bond axis. This is the electron density is present above the axis and below the axis. Below the axis. This is the these are the plus and minus. This is the positive lobe and this is the negative lobe. They are mixed together, combined together, and that form this molecular orbital that is called as a pi star p. This is the p. These two are the p orbitals, and that form a pi star p orbital, that is the anti-bonding orbitals. This is the again pi. This is the p orbital. This is another p orbital, and they are combined together and that form a molecular orbital. This is the a bonding pi p orbitals, and in that the more electron density is present above and below the plane of the bond axis. This is the types of molecular orbital. Types of molecular orbital. Now next one point is energy levels and electronic configuration. Energy levels and electronic configuration. Here the molecular orbital in homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homo means same nucleus असलेले diatomic molecule. Di means दोन atom. Diatomic molecule have been determined experimentally. The molecular orbital in homonuclear diatomic molecule have been determined experimentally. While for diatomic molecule of a second row elements, diatomic molecule of second row elements except oxygen and fluorine, the rank order of energies is like that. Sigma 1s is less than sigma star 1s, less than sigma 2s, less than sigma star 2s, which is less than pi 2px is equal to pi 2py is greater than and less than sigma 2pz, and here also again less than pi 2p pi star 2py is equal to pi star 2px, and which is greater than sigma star 2pz. This is the energy levels. These are the energy levels. And for oxygen and fluorine, diatomic molecule for the second row elements except oxygen and fluorine सोडून बाकीचे जे elements आहेत त्यांचं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन किंवा एनर्जी लेवल्स लाइक दैट. And also for oxygen and fluorine electronic configuration का energy levels sigma 1s which is less than sigma star 1s which is less than sigma 2s which is less than sigma star 2s, sigma 2px, and in bracket pi 2py is equal to pi 2pz, and pi star 2py is equal to pi star 2pz, and last one sigma star 2px, which is this is the a sequence of filling the molecular orbital. The sequence of filling the molecular orbitals giving electronic configuration of a molecule. The electronic configuration of molecule provides a following information like that: a stability of molecule, magnetic nature of molecule, and bond order of the molecule. Stability of molecule, magnetic nature of molecule, and bond order of the molecule. The electronic configuration जे आहे moleculeचं, that provides काय information provide करतोय? That provides the stability of molecule, whether this molecule is stable or unstable. Magnetic nature of molecule, whether this molecule is diatomic or paramagnetic. And bond order of the molecule, that gives the bond order of the molecule. That information is provided. Stability of molecule, in that if the number of electrons in a bonding MOs, if the number of electrons in a bonding molecular orbitals is greater than the number of anti-bonding molecular orbitals, the molecule is stable. जर या ठिकाणी number of electrons in a bonding molecular orbital, here this is the bonding molecular orbital, when they are greater, at that time bond is stable. If the number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital, this is the bonding molecular orbital, is greater than number of anti-bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital पेक्षा या ठिकाणी electrons काय आहेत जास्त आहेत, therefore that form a stability of the molecule. The molecule is stable, and that form a stable covalent bond. Magnetic nature of a molecule. Magnetic nature of a molecule. If all molecular orbitals in a molecule, molecules are completely filled, पूर्णपणे भरलेले असेल, with 2 electrons each, the molecule is diatomic. The molecule is diamagnetic. Here this is the filled electrons, this is unfilled electrons, or unpaired electron, this is the paired electrons. If in molecular orbital, these are the molecular orbitals, these are the atomic orbitals. Here, if all the molecular orbitals in a molecules are completely filled, at that time the 2 electrons of each, the molecule is diatomic. पूर्णपणे भरलेला असेल तेव्हा molecule काय असेल? Diamagnetic असेल. That means they are repels to each other. एकमेकांना ते बाजूला लोटते पहा. If at least one molecular orbital is half filled with 1 electron, the molecule is paramagnetic. The molecule is paramagnetic. जर या ठिकाणी molecular orbital भरत असताना त्या ठिकाणी एकच इलेक्ट्रॉन किंवा एकच इलेक्ट्रॉन तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी दिसेल पहा. At that time the molecule is paramagnetic. जर तो पेअर्ड मध्ये असेल त्यावेळेस काय म्हणायचं त्याला? डायमॅग्नेटिक. आणि जर तो सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन असेल molecular orbital मध्ये तर त्यावेळेस तो काय असेल? It will be a paramagnetic. Next one point is bond order of the molecule. How to calculate the bond order of the molecule? The number of electrons in bonding in a molecular orbital and number of electrons in anti-bonding in a molecular orbital. Number of bonding electrons in a molecular orbital. Number of anti-bonding electrons in a molecular orbital. Then formula is number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons divided by 2. Then we can easily calculate a bond order of the molecule. This is very simple to calculate a bond order. Now next one point is key ideas of a molecular orbital theory. या ठिकाणी molecular orbital theory जे आहे त्याच्यामध्ये कशा प्रकारे रिप्रेझेंट केलेले आहे ते समजून घ्यायचे आपल्याला यामध्ये. The first one in a key ideas of the molecular orbital theory. The molecular orbitals in a molecule are similar to a atomic orbitals of the atom. जशा molecular orbital आहेत तशाच काय असणार आहे? Atomic orbitals असणार आहेत atomच्या. Molecular orbitals that describes a region of a space in the molecule represent a probability of the electron. Molecular orbital काय describe करतात? That describes or that explain the region of a space in the molecule representing the probability of the electron. Electron ची लोकेशन काय आहे? कुठे आहे, that will be find out. The molecular orbitals are formed by combining atomic orbitals. Molecular orbitals are formed by combining atomic orbitals of different atoms. The number of molecular orbitals formed is equal to the number of atomic orbitals combined. That means here these are the atomic orbitals and these are the molecular orbitals. These atomic orbitals are combined together and that form a molecular orbital. If the molecular orbitals are 2, then if the atomic orbitals are 2, then they are also form a 2 molecular orbitals. दोन atomic orbitals असतील तर दोन atomic orbitals असतील त्यावेळी दोन molecular orbital त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतील. The atomic orbitals of comparable energies and proper symmetry combine to form a molecular orbital. हे जे दोन atomic orbitals आहेत, हे दोन atomic orbitals त्यांची एनर्जी या दोघांची एनर्जी and also symmetry, दोघांची सिमेट्री कशी असणं गरजेचं आहे, सारखी असणं गरजेचं आहे, एनर्जी सुद्धा सारखी असणं गरजेचं आहे. At that time they are combined together. The molecular orbital those are lower in energy than the starting atomic orbitals are bonding. या ठिकाणी molecular orbitals are lower, या ठिकाणी एनर्जी जी आहे कमी असेल. या molecular orbital ची एनर्जी ह्या दोन्ही पेक्षा कशी असेल, कमी असेल, त्यावेळी that form a bonding orbitals, bonding molecular orbitals, that is a sigma orbital. Whereas the molecular orbitals having a higher energy, atomic orbitals having a lower energy than these molecular orbital, at that time that form a anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is a sigma star. Anti-bonding, that is a star, and having a higher energy. And the electrons are filled in a molecular orbitals a beginning with the lowest energy. Electrons are filled. Electron कशा प्रकारे भरले जाणार आहेत in a molecular orbitals beginning with the lowest energy. इकडे इलेक्ट्रॉन भरले जाणार आहे. हा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन घेतला तो इथे ठेवायचा, हा घेतला इथे ठेवायचा, इकडे नाही. द लोअर एनर्जी जे आहे त्या ठिकाणी हे इलेक्ट्रॉन काय करायचे, फिल करायचे. The only 2 electrons occupy each molecular orbital. या ठिकाणी एका molecular orbital मध्ये किती इलेक्ट्रॉन भरणार आहे, फक्त 2च इलेक्ट्रॉन भरले जाणार आहे. 2 पेक्षा जास्त नाही, 1 किंवा 2, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त नाही. Only 2 electrons can occupy each molecular orbital and they have a opposite spins with their spins are paired. या ठिकाणी हे जे दोन एरो दाखवले, हाफ हेडेड एरो दाखवले पहा, ते कसे आहे, दोन्ही पेअर मध्ये दाखवले, बट ऑपोजिट स्पिन, एक अप साइड आणि एक डाऊन साइड अशा प्रकारे दाखवायचे पहा. दोन्ही अप साइड एरो आणि डाऊन साइड एरो अशा प्रकारे दाखवायचे नाही. The bond order of the molecule can be calculated from the number of bonding and anti-bonding electrons. नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड ऑर्डर, त्याच्यानंतर बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कॅल्क्युलेट करून घ्यायची पहा. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कशा प्रकारे कॅल्क्युलेट करून घ्यायची, बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू ए नंबर ऑफ बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मायनस नंबर ऑफ अँटी बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डिवाइडेड बाय ए 2. that gives the a bond order of the molecule. Now next one point is molecular orbital description of a simple diatomic molecule. The molecular orbital description of a simple diatomic molecule. काही मॉलिक्यूल या ठिकाणी आपल्या अभ्यासासाठी दिलेले आहेत पहा, त्याचं डिस्क्रिप्शन किंवा त्याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन आपल्या या ठिकाणी पाहायचं. In your syllabus, first one gives a hydrogen molecule, second one that gives the lithium molecule, third one is the nitrogen molecule, fourth one is the oxygen molecule, and last one fluorine, that gives the fluorine. All are the 5 molecules that gives in your study, but only one hydrogen, only one molecule in your study, in that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, here only hydrogen molecule is studied. That is the hydrogen molecule H2. This is the MOT, that is the molecular orbitals. Here in hydrogen molecule is formed by a linear combination of 2 hydrogen atoms. हायड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल इज फॉर्म. हायड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल कशा प्रकारे तयार होतो? ए लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द टू हायड्रोजन atoms each having one electron in its 1s orbital. 1s orbital मध्ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, here also 1s orbital मध्ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन. Linear combination of two 1s orbital. Linear combination of a two 1s orbital gives two molecular orbitals. Linear combination झाल्यानंतर that gives the a two molecular orbitals. Gives the a two molecular orbitals of a sigma 1s2 having a lower energy and that form a covalent bond, and sigma star 1s that is the a higher energy and form a anti-bonding molecular orbitals, having a higher energy and that form a anti-bonding molecular orbital. That is, this bond is unstable, this is the a stable one. And also the two electrons on the hydrogen atom occupy the two electrons from the hydrogen atoms occupy the a sigma 1s molecular orbital and sigma star 1s remains vacant or empty. These two atomic orbitals of 1s of the hydrogen atoms, they are combined together to the lower energy levels of the molecular orbital and that form a sigma 1s2, and this sigma star 1s remains vacant or empty. The electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule is like that. That is the a sigma 1s2. Sigma 1s2. Sigma 1s2. This is the a electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule. That is sigma 1s2. Then bond order. How to calculate bond order? Bond order is equal to number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons divided by 2. Then bonding electrons, this is the bonding electrons having a lower energy and that form a covalent bond. Number of electrons are 2. Bonding electrons are 2. And non-bonding electrons or anti-bonding electrons. Anti-bonding electrons, this is the anti-bonding electrons having a lower energy, sigma star, that is 0. No electrons, 0. Divided by 2. After calculation, we will get the a bond order. This is the bond order. That is a 1. Bond order is 1 for the a hydrogen molecule. In a dihydrogen or H2 molecule, there exists one covalent bond between the two hydrogen atoms. There is formation of covalent bond. या ठिकाणी कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड तयार होते पहा. एकच कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड तयार, या ठिकाणी तयार होणार नाही. या ठिकाणी हा स्टेबल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड तयार होईल. And the bond length is 74 picometer and the bond dissociation energy is 438 kilojoule mole. The bond dissociation energy, या ठिकाणी बॉन्ड लेंथ दिली आहे बिटवीन द टू atoms किती दिली ती? या दोन हायड्रोजन मध्ये जो बॉन्ड तयार होणार आहे कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड, त्याची लेंथ दिलेली पहा, लांबी दिली किती दिली? 74 पिकोमीटर. आणि बॉन्ड डिसोसिएशन एनर्जी, बॉन्ड तोडण्यासाठी लागणारी एनर्जी किती असेल? 438 किलोजूल मोल. as there are a paired electrons, there are paired molecular orbital मध्ये या ठिकाणी paired electrons आहेत. therefore the H2 molecule is diamagnetic. Magnetic nature काय त्याचं? It is diamagnetic. Why it is diamagnetic? Because there is a presence of paired electrons. If there is unpaired electrons in molecular orbital, then it is a paramagnetic. This is the H2 molecule or hydrogen molecule, MU, that is the molecular orbital of the hydrogen molecule. That will be asked into the examination. While the other molecules like lithium, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine that are deleted from the syllabus due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. That's all for the today. Next part we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.